Well, we got it run. We had a bit of an issue. This little cover plate had come unthreaded, and the key was just spinning in there, and then it dropped down inside. That was a hell of a thing to get done. Yeah, I need to tighten that up some more. I just can't do it with my fingers. So this will be the next thing to clean up. Figure out what we got to do in here. Go through all the filters. It's the same thing we did with the bulldozer. Tamper switch. Come up. Pieces we needed broken. Yeah.